the actual link though?
Christmas dinner on the tram, Adam.
Nice one. It's looking good. Looking good for tomorrow. Nice big onions as well.
We're gonna go and collect the pot. Yeah, man, meat. You meet them, yeah, people, yeah. Load up. Meet them and load up. I'm back again. Guess what? Just went and picked up some containers. Been rushed off my feet because up and down, you know, when you don't have no vehicle. But yo, huh? What going?
Yes, man, bro.
We say I was just.
We just inviting this man, like, just like trying to show him what.
Yeah,
what
look,
how's it going?
Look, he's had some soup.
You were doing this.
Yeah, he's had some soup before anyway. Yeah, good vibes. So I'm going to pick up some chicken now. I'm going to pick up some curry goat and then pick up the ingredients.
Yeah.
Nice.
So who's our watchman for the night?
That's me, innit? Obviously. He ain't gonna stay, huh?
You're not staying out.
Nah. I can do if you need me to, but
I need you to.
maybe,
Right, yeah, we'll both
Yeah.
stay out.
I'll go grab my tent and I'll grab my sleeping bag.
Yeah, we'll both stay out.
Look, because we're camping out tonight with all the stuff, you know, because we're setting up from tonight. Because look, we're gonna set up everything from tonight. I'm going to buy. Look, everyone, I got vibes. All right, people. So we're at Mr. Meat right now, because Mr. Meat is providing the meat for the barbecue. So this is where we buy all our meat from people here. This meat shop here, and we use next door as well. Cause good people. You understand? We can't. You understand? But Mr. Meat is the shop people. Yeah, that is it. A good vibes. Come check out Mr. Meat. Car. I soon come back in 20 minutes, boss. Yeah, a good vibes. Alright, so we've got Meat Wise as well, you know, they're next door to Mr. Meat. So you understand? So a good vibes. So yeah, man, we're just gonna come in here so quickly, yeah, and collect the meat, people, yeah, a good vibes. Yes, people, so we got some money that was left at Meat Wise here.
Yes.
£25, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we're collecting the meat, innit?
Yes, sir.
A good vibes. So yeah, so we're collecting the meat here, got good people. So let's get some lamb chops. Yeah, all of it. Put all of it on there. All of it. Yeah, all of it. All of it. All of it. All of it. Yes, all of it. Yeah, all of that. All of that. A good man.
Chef, are you a chef?
Yeah.
Where's your restaurant?
I'm the restaurant.
Oh, you're mobile.
Yeah.
Oh, you're mobile.
Leave him alone.
How much is that, boss?
29.
No, it can't be. That's not even a lot of lamb.
No, but we do catering and sometimes we have teams that we
No extra? No extra? Just put all of that there, boss. It's fine. It's for the homeless. Yeah, it's for the homeless. Thank you very much. Meat Wise people, yeah, come and check them out. 1 second. That is it. You see the telephone number there, right here. Good vibes.
Best one in the town, mate.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, people. So you see, say, and a joke thing, you know. Yeah, man, beer things. You know, the basket so far. You see that, people? Yeah, this is just, you understand, seasoning. Let me get some of them red onions there. Bust that bag of red onions, please, boss. Yeah. Bust the bag of red onions. Yeah, let me get this bag here, boss. Thank you. Good vibes. People say we do a market here, a shop. Me no like them. Me no even like the pumpkin here. So me no like the pumpkin there.
That's Halloween pumpkin.
Yeah, Halloween pumpkin. The man who sell the pumpkin for Halloween. Me no want the pumpkin there. Yeah. Me no want the pumpkin there. A good vibes, a good vibes. We have one person in there. Charlie said we are people, yeah. All right. The Christmas dinner. I got nice. Yes. A good vibes, a good vibes. The dinner I got nice, you know. Yeah. Anything for the homeless? Let's see how I go on.
1 pound, darling.
Now
These are lemons, you don't need skin marks, yeah?
yeah, but scallion.
No scallion.
No scallion?
I'm looking to see if I see pumpkin. There's no pumpkin.
The lemon's fine, but no,
Yeah,
I don't need
Need
the
the
lettuce.
cabbage. You don't need
No,
lettuce.
no.
What do you think for the homeless?
Yeah, but
This would do alright.
give me cabbage to cook.
I ain't got no cabbage, he's got cabbage over there.
Tomatoes, carrots. Can't do tomatoes.
Lemon look nice, you know.
And I need some cooking stuff. More lemons again.
Yeah, that's what I can give.
This gentleman's there giving us some lemons for the homeless. Alright, he's giving us lemons. Alright.
Look, there ain't no cabbage.
Lettuce, but yeah.
It's nice, man.
Any potatoes?
Not potatoes are dear.
Potatoes are
I'd
there.
love to give you some, but
Alright. No problem. Big man. Big man. Boss. Any potatoes for the homeless? Boss. Any potatoes for the homeless, boss? Potato. What? I can get one, 2 for the homeless. Give me for the homeless, innit? Christmas dinner tomorrow. Huh? So no one's donating to the Christmas dinner, people. So alright, a good vibe said we. Let me get 1 bowl for £1. So I'm gonna buy one anyway, yeah, because they're not giving none, so we have to buy it.
I don't know the
Camera, say it on camera.
no, I'm just saying everything's so dear.
Yeah.
We're struggling at the moment.
Yes.
And I don't know if we're going to be here after Christmas, most of us.
Alright.
Tough, absolutely tough. Never known it to be like this.
So the market's actually going like down.
It's not going, everything's gone dear. It's like potatoes. You get a bag of potatoes. Before you used to buy for £10, £12, but now they want £25 a bag. Crazy money.
I get you.
Ridiculous. How can we survive?
Alright, the market is going through turmoil, people, yeah. The market has struggled, said way. So look, the gentleman said, you know, and I just give no one, give nothing, but sufferation I go on the market amongst the vendors, them said way. You understand? So Croydon Council and the people that were supplying, the international people that were supplying, what I sitting them need to cut down on it, yeah? The VAT high, people. The VAT high. You understand? But we are shopping. We are shopping, man. We are talking about, man, nothing not talking about shopping. Yeah.
1170.
Let me get this pumpkin, please.
970.
Alright, so we are buying some pumpkin as well, people, yeah? So we need a pumpkin. I can pay £5. Christmas dinner for the homeless.
Yes.
Now I need more pepper. Bag of pepper. Yeah.
Sometimes. Yeah.
So, need enough pepper. Put this pepper here.
So you like receipt?
Or,
Yeah, but what? No, right here. You want to put it inside?
yeah, need enough pepper.
Yeah, put them there.
Sorry. Yeah. How much?
£7, 50 pence.
Another £5.
£7, 50 pence.
Time.
£8, 10 pence.
One more time.
£8, 50 pence.
One more time. So this stool not giving us no contribution, so a good vibe said way. So we just have one. We just have one about the ingredients from said way. How much is this one?
£8, 50 pence.
A good vibes. Let me get some more pepper. Put 2 more pepper there for me, please.
I put it already too.
Just one extra one for me, please. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I like that. Thank you very much. Yeah. So I go on, my man bad with your fingers, so we get some other little ingredients, people. Yeah, how much that come up to, big man?
36.57.
36.57. You see that, people, yeah? So you see, so the homeless dinner and joke thing, people, yeah? This is just some seasoning and some kidney beans and, you understand, and some things, you understand? A good vibes. People say, see the curry goat here, chop up, said wait, you know. Yeah, man, wolf have go to man, look on the goat, man. Yeah, man, a whole light cut up right now, people, yeah? All this curry goat for the Christmas dinner. Yeah, man, a good vibes. That is it. Yeah. And then we have a whole lot of chicken over here, so I prepare said we Christmas dinner sitting. Yeah man, boxes of chicken and wait here. You understand people, yeah? Yeah, Christmas dinner is gonna be nice. Good vibes. Yeah man, that is it people.
More than 1 kg, I charge 1 kg.
Meat over there, so you know. Wally for meat.
23 for me, bro.
Wally for meat. Bossman, give me a little extra chicken there. Yeah. Thank you, boss. Yeah.
20.
Yeah, man, meat. You meet them, your people, yeah. And load that. Yeah. Meet them and load that. Yeah. Yeah. I know joke thing, people. See, meet them and whole of meat I come through. Yeah, man, whole of meat I come through. Yeah. Yes, boss, man. Good. That's it, yeah?
Yes, my boy.
Yo. So, things them. We sold out the cameras. I'm a mad thing right now, people. So, yeah, man, we're there, so we have most of the ingredients. Them. All right, everyone. So look out for it. So a good vibe. So look here with Adam. That is it. We've got a big old shopping trolley. You saw all the ingredients getting loaded up. You understand? This is all for the Christmas dinner, people. Yeah. A good vibes. Christmas dinner time. You understand? That is it.
Wait, what's the actual name?
Christmas dinner on the tram, Adam.
Nice one. It's looking good. Looking good for tomorrow. Nice big onions as well.
We're gonna go and collect the pots.
Yeah.
Ben's dropping off the pots to me.
Yeah.
Because I had them in his locker.
Nice.
Wait until we like offload everything and separate, you know, structure everything properly.
See how much is actually there once it's all offloaded.
Yeah, you're gonna see it. Good vibes, people. Yeah. So we're on the tram right now, just going to our next destination. That is it. Yeah, man. So the marathon continues, people. Yeah. So we're on the tram right now. A good vibe. So we've been out all day just buying ingredients, getting the last little bits and bobs. And as I normally would have been out today, on a day like today, Friday, cooking. But today we're getting up all the last ingredients. Them now. Got all the last ingredients. Now you're going to just see the preparation stage quickly. You understand? For tomorrow, that is it. Good vibes. Right, everyone. So yeah, this is it, people. Yeah. So yeah, man, we've got everything prepped already. So look. We've got all the ingredients that we're going to be using for tomorrow. Look, lemon, garlic, you understand? Ginger, we've got pumpkin, you understand? Potato, sweet potato, yam, scallion, carrots, peppers, thyme, you understand? Tomatoes. And look, we've got a whole trolley full of meat. So we've got lamb chops, we've got goat, we've got fish, everything there, people, yeah? So our good vibes, yeah? Yeah, man, the Christmas dinner for the homeless. We're going to get the rest of the ingredients. But this is how we're looking so far, people, yeah? Things are looking nice, you understand? Our good vibes, you understand? Our good vibes, people, yeah? Yes, everybody, so we're here right now. We've got a fire that's set up right now. And this is where the Christmas dinner is going to be, everyone. That is it. We've got Lucky that's set up. He's going to camp up overnight right here at the spot. Our good vibes. We're just burning the fire right now. We've got all the ingredients them inside of the shopping trolleys and everything's just waiting. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, everybody, yeah? 10 a.m. sharp. I'll see everybody tomorrow. That is it, Christmas dinner. Our good vibes. Look at this fire, man. Let's just watch this fire for a little while. Lucky, looking forward for the dinner.
Oh, I am, yeah.
Adam?
It's gonna be good.
I am. I know it's
gonna be
gonna be
absolutely
perfect.
amazing.
It's always perfect with Ringo, man.
Nice bit of food, nice bit of warmth.
We've got lamb chops on the menu. We've got curry goat on the menu. We've got brown stew chicken, barbecue chicken, some pepper prawns. We've got some fish on the menu, rice and peas, white rice. We've got the famous soup on the menu as well. Our good vibes, people, yeah. So we see you guys tomorrow. That is it. All right, people, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So me and Adam, we just went and got the last little bits and bobs for the Christmas dinner. We had to go and buy containers. Yeah, got some goodies here. Woo! Alright, the phone nearly went, but I got it back. Good vibes. Upside down now. Spin back around now. Good vibes.